How to change your name in totally reliable delivery service. This video does ended up helping you, which it is. Make sure you like and subscribe. So this is super easy and simple. Make sure you are on the latest update for this game right here. Then if you are, you're gonna have to go all the way to the left and click on this option right here where it says settings. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it says name. It should be the first option. It should be before graphics. Then once you click on that, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it said this little pencil icon. Then once you click on this, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it said change name. So you're gonna have to click on enter name, just click on that. And I'm gonna put Instructify. And once I do that, I'm gonna just click on done right here. Now from here, I'm gonna just have to click on apply right here. And once I click on apply, as you guys can see, my name just changed to Instructify. So this video did help you. Make sure you like and subscribe since it's the latest update. Thank you for watching, and if you need any help, make sure you let me know in the comment section.